What's up, everybody? This is 2024 Topps Dune Chrome. Pick your character number 13. Mrs. Hamlet's favorite number. Next one is in the store. If anyone needs a link, there it is. Attack while I'm opening packs. Attack. Telling on me? You're telling on me? What? Who are you telling? What did I do? Oh no! And the snipers have been revealed on the sheet. The snipers have been revealed. Oh my gosh, Music's brother, you went like crazy on this. Guys, I'm gonna open the packs. If you want to attack your next, go for it. I've never watched it, Music's brother, yet. I was trying to, but I couldn't find it on, like, anything. Without having to pay, I guess. I'm sorry if I call out the cards wrong. I'm sorry. I honestly don't know much about the movie or the product. I'm being honest. I'm sorry. I wish I did. I really wish I did. I know Jason Momoa is in there. That's all I know in Bautista. It's good. Not bad at all. We're moving. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks for helping our algorithm. Well, that's sick. I don't know what that is, but I'm saving it. Might be like a 160. Alright, let's do this. Again, I do apologize in advance, guys. I'm not familiar with the movie, but I will do my best. Or the cards. I didn't study this time. I should be fired. Duncan and Kynes. Let me go out a little more. Take the next, guys. It is in the store. Is it Seismic? Mysterious Thumper. There's Bautista. Refractor. I think that's him, right? That is him, right? A refractor? Rainbow? Forgot the algorithm of this. Ooh, what's that? Spice. There's a spice of Lady Margot. Lady Margot for Music's brother on the spice. Training with Gurney. Oh, there he is. What is this called? Not number, but it looks different, so I'm going to keys and sleeve it. nice. Oh, but there is some dimples in there. Timothy. Tempe. Roastin' Tempe. $1.99 at $2.25. There's some dimples in there though, Roastin'. I'm sorry. You can see those two little things there. Let me know if you want like a pack. I don't know if they'll do anything. Yeah, for real, huh? I'm sorry. Do not know what happened there. Polydents. That's disappointing though. I hate when that happens behind the scenes. Sorry, Dukar, Soldier. Lady Jessica. It's like a light blue. 26 out of 175 of Lady Jessica. That goes to Athletic. Next one is in the store, guys. Take it. Spice of Lady Jessica now. Is that a blue? Oh, nice. Zendaya. 67 out of 199. It's like a nice blue color. Music's brother? No, that's Roastin'. Roasted Tempe. That is Zendaya. She looks okay. That was the first box, guys. 2 more. There's something thick in that pile. Spice. What is that? Herald of Change. It doesn't look like him. It looks so white. I think that, is that Zendaya? Oh, is it for the story? Can someone help me out? Sorry, is this for the story, not Roastin'? Dang it. I'm sorry, Roastin', if I said it wrong. Oh, I'm sorry. I guess it does go to the story. Sorry. I'm sorry, Music's brother. I didn't mean to call it out wrong. It's like my second break of this. My bad. To the story. So these go to the story. I have to remember that story spot. Rutha. This goes to Music's brother. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I don't mean to. I'm sorry. Oh, purple. 132 of 250. It looks like purple lava. Surrounded by Freeman. I'm assuming this is for the story too. I wish I got to watch the movie before I came in so I knew what I was looking at. Behind the scenes. So this goes to Music's brother, okay. Arrival. These cards are really... Ooh. Dr. Leckiness. Dr... Hey, is that for Durango? 72 out of 175. Durango? Is that you? Yes, don't forget to hit the like, guys. Spice of Dr. Willington, you. Herald of Change. Ernie. There's Baptista. 9 out of 150. House of Harkonnens, Reign of Arrakis. 9 out of 150. There's a Q. Scary a Q. Scary. Scare me. Scared me. You did. I was scared. Come on, let's see something. Let's see an auto or something. Where's Momoa? Seismic. Paul studies Arrakis. You did. You scared me. I was scared. Ooh, speaking of auto. 1 out of 50 of Duke Leto. To Music's brother. First off the print. There we go. Alright. That's really sick. I like that card. Nice piece. Oh, nice. 38 out of 299. Paul and Duke Leto. I'm assuming this is the stories cards. It's like fuchsia or pink. Music's brother is back. Can we have another auto? What are the odds of having another auto? Shishakili. Spice. Lieutenant. Nut. Oh, like a speckle. Purple speckle. What is that? 2, 1, 2 out of 275. Well, a purple speckle there. That was a really nice acetate, yes. A spice. Oh, not a spice. Ooh. 7 out of 50. Gurney Halleck on the acetate. For Music's brother. Josh Borland. Last little stack here. There's something thick on the bottom there. Looks green. Thick on the bottom and green. Ooh. There he is. 111 out of 199. And then 79 out of 99? Oh, what is that? What is that? This goes to Charlie CM. Relic? Dang, it's like heavy. Nothing is thick. Well, medallion card. That's sick. Sick and thick. So, it might be a little bit bigger, 180. All right, that is the break. We'll recap it. Next one is in the store, guys. We got one auto out of it, one relic. Thank you, Music's brother, for attacking. I'm glad I got you some things in there. An auto, acetate, some stories. These two are really sick. That is the break. Thank you.